and welcome to Naughty Creations!
Today we'll be making a Ferris wheel square, so let's get started. Okay, what you need for this is yarn colors of your choice, scissors, crochet needles, and crochet hook. We'll start by making a slip knot. So cross the yarn over, wrap around your finger and pull the yarn from the back to the front. Insert your hook and tighten. Now make 3 chains. We'll then slip stitch into the first chain, and that will form your foundation ring. To begin round 1, we will chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll now make 1 treble into the center of the chain. So yarn over, insert into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, into 2 loops, yarn over and into both loops, and then we'll chain 1. So repeat this step, so a treble followed by 1 chain all around the circle until you have 7 trebles and 1 fake trebles in total. So our chain 4 in the beginning is our fake treble. So repeat this all around the circle until you have 7 trebles and 1 fake trebles. Now that we've got 7 trebles with 1 fake trebles in total, we can now finish off this round. So we will create a slip stitch into the 3rd chain at the start of the round. So insert your hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over and pull through again, and then we'll chain 1 to tighten. We'll grab our scissors, cut off the end and tighten, and that is round 1. Okay, to start round 2, insert your hook into any chain space, grab your second color, pull through, and we'll now chain 3. Okay, in the next chain space, we will create 3 trebles. So yarn over, insert into the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through to 2 loops, yarn over and pull through to both loops. So that's the second treble. Recreate 1 more. So yarn over, insert into the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through to 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through to another 2 loops. So repeat this step. So every chain space we see, we will create one cluster which consists of 3 trebles. Repeat this step all around the circle. Now we're back at the first chain space where we started. So here we'll create 2 trebles because the first 3 chain that we created at the beginning act as the first fake trebles. To finish off this round, we'll create a slip stitch into the 3rd chain where we started. So insert your hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, and pull through. And that we completed round 2. To start round 3, insert your hook into any gap between the cluster and we'll be chaining 6. Now we'll create 3 double treble into the same gap where we just started. So double hook your yarn, insert into the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through to 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to another 2 loops, yarn over and pull through to both loops. So that's the second double treble. Double wrap your hook, insert into the center, yarn over, pull through to 2 loops, pull through to another 2 loops, yarn over and pull through to both loops. We will now create another cluster into the next space between the cluster. So in the next space, we will now create 3 double trebles. Okay, in this next space, we'll now create the corners. So what we'll do is we'll create 3 double trebles as usual. and then we'll chain 2, and that create the corner of the square, and then we'll create another 3 double trebles. So repeat this pattern around the circle. So in the next space, create your one cluster, which consists of 3 double trebles. And then the space after that, you'll be creating the corners. So which is the double treble, 3, then chain 2, and another 3 double treble. So repeat that pattern around the circle. Now we're back at the same space where we first started, so we will now create 2 double trebles. To finish off this round, we'll create a slip stitch into the 4th chain space. So insert your hook into the 4th chain space. And now we have completed round 3. We'll start off round 4 by inserting a hook into any corner chain space. Then grab your next color and we will chain 5. In the same space, we'll make 2 trebles. So that's the first treble. Okay, the second treble, yarn over, insert into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now we'll do a treble in between each stitch up to the corner chain space. So every little chain space we see, we will create 1 treble. until we reach to the corner. Here at the corner, we'll do 2 trebles. And then we'll chain 2. This chaining 2 will create the corner. So now we'll do another 2 trebles. Now we will repeat this pattern around the square. So we will make 1 treble in between each stitch up to the corner, and once we reach the corner, we will treble 2, chain 2, and treble another 2, and then repeat all the way around the square. Now we're back at the beginning where we started. We'll create 1 treble, and to finish this round, we will do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain at the start of the round. And that complete round 4.